Welcome back to our channel, Professor Pawn, where we dive deep into important topics that shape our world. In today's video, we'll be discussing a critical issue that affects us all, climate change. We'll explore the science behind it, its impact on our planet, and the urgent need for sustainable action. So, let's get started. Firstly, what is climate change? Climate change is a phenomenon that results from the increase in greenhouse gas emissions, primarily carbon dioxide, into the Earth's atmosphere. These emissions trap heat and lead to a rise in global temperatures, causing various environmental consequences. Scientists agree that human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes, significantly contribute to these greenhouse gas emissions. Now that we understand what climate change is, there are some impacts of this phenomenon which the world fears. The impact of climate change is far-reaching and affects different aspects of our lives. From extreme weather events to rising sea levels and loss of biodiversity, the consequences are profound. 148.0 billion metric tons of ice sheets melt each year since 2002. Sea levels increased by 4 inches since January 1993. Climate change poses risks to food security, water resources, public health, and vulnerable ecosystems. It's important to understand that no one is exempt from its effects. Now let's talk about some sustainable solutions. Now that we comprehend the severity of the problem, it's time to discuss solutions. We all have a role to play in mitigating climate change and creating a sustainable future. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, adopting energy-efficient practices, promoting sustainable agriculture, and reducing waste are some key ways to address climate change. It's not enough to simply understand the problem, we must take action. Here are a few steps we can take as individuals and as a society to combat climate change. Energy conservation. Reduce energy consumption by using energy-efficient appliances, turning off lights when not in use, and utilizing natural lighting whenever possible. Renewable energy. Support the shift towards renewable energy by opting for solar panels or wind turbines where feasible. Sustainable transportation. Embrace greener transportation options like cycling, walking, carpooling, or using public transportation. Responsible consumption. Make conscious choices by opting for eco-friendly products, reducing single-use plastics, and practicing mindful consumption. Climate change is a global issue that demands our immediate attention. By understanding its science, recognizing its impact, and taking sustainable actions, we can make a positive difference. Thank you for watching this episode of Professor Pawn. Remember, it's through education and collective action that we can build a sustainable future for generations to come. Stay tuned for more enlightening content, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Together, let's make a lasting impact on our world.